Hold on, people, you don't know. Dancehall, reggae, Jamaica, we there. So, we are look on Ewart, Everton, Brown. You see me I say? And most popularly known in a yard as Mad Cobra. Big bad artist. I want to say bad artist when it comes to clash lyrical contents. Them artists they have it locked. So prior to information what I get from my source. Yeah, Mad Cobra was charged with drug trafficking, cocaine, and possession of weapon during a violent crime. You see me I say, I don't know Mad Cobra, 55-year-old, so a big man, you see me I say, off Fort Lauderdale, Florida. You see me? So, them charge him, you know what I mean? The FCS or deputies, yeah man, them charge him today, you see me I say, the 25th, you know? 23, you see it? Yeah man, cocaine, 2 kilo. 2 kilo. What go on my artist? People like, comment and share. I want to comment and tell me what phone views, cause we know how money thing go and the artist. You know what I mean? People could have say I greedy, the artist greedy. You don't know if him need a little piece of extra money. You don't know if him have a project where man deal with. We don't know what go on with the artist or traffic. You know what I mean? I remember we have artists from our culture where they get caught up in a predicaments like this. You know what I mean? You know, the one and only. You see me and say, yeah, Gargamel. And the man, the hold him energy and forward. You see me and say, driver! So what go on now, Mad Cobra? So yeah, my people, watching a man, most drugs trafficking offenses in the state of Florida are charged as a first degree felony, which is typically punishable by up to 30 years in prison and a fine of up to $10,000. You see me I say? So, you know what I mean? First degree felony. If you get old with them type of some of them in general. You know what I mean? The state I look upon you terrible and 30 years right now. Jaja. Some people, if you're not subscribed yet, you need to subscribe. You know what I mean? I never tell you to like, because you gotta like everything we're going over here. You see me I say? Just share. So, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your father, your mother, your sister, your brother, your auntie, your uncle, your cousin them, your friend them, can hear and know what going on. Jaja, Mad Cobra. You know what I mean? Go and hold it, my Jenna.